It's time again for unboxing of our Soul Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. And here I have my box. This is our August Soul Sampler box, and it is the last one of officially summer because my kids are going back to school next week. I can't wait. So with that being said, I am going to dive into what is in this month box. I have not opened it yet, but I did cut these little thing off. The cost for this box is $29.95. Now, the things in this box are going to be worth more than your $29.95 that you pay. But I will let you be the judge to see if it's worth your $29.95. So let's dive in to see if this is worth what you're paying for or what I'm paying for, really. So let's see. In this theme, it says the golden hour. So I'm not really sure what the golden hour is about. So let's go in and open it up. And right here with the little pamphlet, it is 20% of Riley Blake fabric. So I can already tell you this is a Riley Blake fabric in here. But the first thing in this thing that's sticking out to me right now is this little book thing right here. It's a quilting design for domestic machine quilters. So it looks like this, right? I want to take it out so you can see, and if you are not subscribed to this box, I want you to kind of see what is included in this box and what you pay for. And if you are getting this box, comment down below and tell me if all the item in here, if you use the item in here, or if you kind of save it for later, or you give it to another quilty friend. There's nothing wrong with that. Let's see what's in here. So this is kind of like it tells you how to like do meandering quilt. So it comes like it's a sheet. See, it's like a single sheet. I'm guessing you would lay it on your 3-layer quilting fabric, and you would tape it down. You will follow this right here around your quilt. This is meant for you to use after you have sandwiched your backing, your batting, and then your quilt, your flimsy on top. And then after you've done that, you've basted everything, you would now lay this on top of your overall fabric, and then you will tape it down and you will quilt on top of it. Kind of like paper piecing. That's what this is for. That is that. And the price for this is $12.98. It does include, it's 45 inches wide. So you get 4 sheets of this right here, and it's 45 inches. You can use this to learn, and I think it will be good for a beginner quilter. Me personally, I can do meandering free motion on my machine. Nice. The price for this quilting paper, it is $12.98. All right. The next thing in our box this month is, oh my gosh. So it is this CGR 1.5 by 1.5 ruler. It is tiny. Okay, it's so tiny. This is what it looks like. I'm going to put it on my hand so y'all can see. It fits on 2 of my hands. They are so small and cute. So that's what it looks like. And the price for this, guys, is, I think the price for this is a little bit more than I'm willing to pay. The price is $8.98. Will I use this? I don't know, but it will come in handy one day. But will I go out and purchase it? Highly likely not. But I like getting it, so there you go. The next thing in our box is our exclusive quilt pattern for this month. This is the Sun Ray quilt pattern. It is 74 by 74. This is a big quilt for our monthly box. Like what they usually put in there is usually smaller than this. This is a quilt that I would actually consider making. Fat Quarter Shop instructions are so clear, and then so very, very clear. And a beginner can tackle pattern that's written by Fat Quarter Shop. So that's just, I'm just putting it out right there. In addition to the fabric that we're about to see, you will still need a 3.5 yard of background. You will need a 1.1/8 of an accent, like the blue right here. You will need a 1.1/8 of that. And then the really border right here, you're still gonna need a 1.25. And then for the binding, you need a 7/8 of a yard. So the box is $29.95. I do not expect for Fat Quarter Shop to give you everything that you're gonna need to make this quilt top. I feel like most quilters will have accent fabric laying in their sewing room somewhere if you have a stash buildup like me. So, and this right here, it is valued at $9.98, okay? All right, so the next thing in our box is, oh wow, this is our pressed flower quilt along for this month. This is the block that we're going to be sewing this month. So it's Rose. And this is our block number 5. I'm sewing this. If you want to see my previous block, I have video already posted on the first 4 block that we've been sewing for the pressed flowers using my own fabric. So this is our this month's block. It is just as beautiful as the other 4. So here we are. It's pretty. This is block number 5. Here you go. Okay. So the next thing in our box is the thread. It is this pretty midnight blue. When I get thread in my box, it's always a good thing because I can always use thread of any color. The value for this is $3.48. Last but not least is our fabric. This is a day in the life designed by Echo Park Paper Company. And she designed for Riley Blake. So this is what it looks like. I'm actually gonna unbundle it, take it off the bundle, so I can show you guys what the beauty is. So this right here is pink, very pretty. This is like a blue with the really pretty flowers. This is very modern. This is just a blue with a little flower like a blender. This is a pink, very pretty. This is like a sea green or olive green. It's coming on lighter on the screen. And this is a very pretty pink with line with a darker color like a salmon and yellow and white. Very pretty. And this right here is what they want us to use for the binding. It's pretty as well. I mean, it is very versatile. So all in all, these are 9 fat quarters, y'all. This is valued at $26.98. Now, this is all we got in our August 2023 Sew Sampler box. Do I think this box is worth it? Yes, I do think it's worth it because this right here is $26.98. And if you add tax, depending on what state you live in, this is already your box value. And everything else is a bonus, I consider. So I'm going to tell you the entire value of this month box for August. The entire value of this month's box is $67.39 in this month's box. That is way over the value of what you're paying. So I feel like this is worth it for this month. I enjoyed this box. I want to know what you think down below in the comment. What's your favorite in this month's box? My favorite in this month's box is actually, I like the fabric, the sew along that we're doing, and this month's pattern. I think I'm going to sew this. So I want to know below what you think about this month's box. And that's all I have for you today. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. That supports me and that lets YouTube know that you watch my video and you want to see more of it. So with that being said, I would love to see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.